everybody, today I got my Boxy charm in the mail today and I'm super excited about it. I wanted to do an unboxing. First of all, my first concern was with the packaging. It's kind of a concern, but I can't blame Boxy charm for that. That's just something that happens in the post. I just hope none of the products were ruined as a result of that, and now I'm going to open it. So I open it and the first thing that I see is this all access page or this all access card that tells you on the back all of the things that you got in your package, which is pretty nice and very helpful. And it also, like, the first thing you see when you open it is hello charmer. Hello. Now take out all the packaging. It looks like nothing was damaged, which is really good. Oh, I love palettes. So it looks like everything that I got, the first thing, and I'm going to use this for a reference, is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. I am really excited to figure out how to use this. I've been wanting to find some things to help work with my face and work with contouring, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to work. The next thing is the Becca. Since this is my first time signing up, like they usually have something like a promo that you get when you first sign up, and that's what this one was for this month. And it is a Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. So I'm excited to learn how to use that and what the benefits are for that. It's not listed on here because it is it was a bonus. The nice thing is that this also tells you on this page, it tells you that this is worth $45. This is not listed as a price, but I think it was like $20 that it's worth. I'll double check on that. The next is a recovery sleep mask from Dr. Brandt, and this is valued, whoa, this is valued at $52. So I'm excited to try this and see all the stuff that this has. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. There's also, I love makeup brushes, let me tell you. I love learning different ways to use them. Ooh, this even tells me like the different uses for these. This will be really helpful. I love this. I actually learned a lot of how to use certain brushes when I watched a video from Kristen Dominique. Amazing. It was a really helpful video, and ever since then I've been doing my eyeshadow differently because I was influenced by her. So, brushes. Yay. Next is, oh yeah, so these are valued at $27.95. Pretty cool. And this one is Billion Dollar Brows. This is kind of like Tap Brow, where it's like microblading pen, so you can use it over your eyes. I used Tap Brow, and I think it got dried out. I'm not entirely sure, but I stopped using it after a while. Most of the time I use eyeshadow, but I'm interested in trying to use this to see how it works and how it compares with eyeshadow. It'll likely be better. Then the next thing is, eyeliner. I love eyeliner. And this is Henry and Hank Slick with H. Oh my gosh. It says Slick with It. I can learn how to read cursive, guys. I can. I'm so good at it. It says Henry and Hank Slick with It. And this is, oh, its eyeliner is vegan liquid formula that dries. Oh, that's awesome. I love it when it's vegan. It will look long wearing. Perfect. I'm super excited about that. And it's black. I usually like to wear black because it looks really good with my skin tone. So these are all the products that I got. I am very excited to use them. Oh, I forgot to clarify. This product is worth $18 and this product right here is worth $20. So all of this together is worth quite a bit, and this is all pretty amazing. I just calculated all of this together equals $162.95, and I was able to get it for about $22, including shipping, or maybe it's $23, but it's around there. So that's a fraction of, like, an extreme, like, you take the price from here and it goes to here. And I love that about Boxy charm. I'll be getting my October one really soon. I'm very excited about that one. I'm not entirely sure what's going to be in that one. I keep peeking on Instagram, and I haven't seen a lot of Boxy unveils on that one. So I'm going to be looking forward to that, and I'll let you know how I like these products. I'm excited to try them. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm sorry, just one more thing. I just couldn't handle it. I had to open this and see what it looks like on the inside. I've never had a contouring palette or a face shaping one, so I'm so excited about this. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Look at all those colors. That is so cool. I'm excited to use all of these and figure out how to use it. I'm super excited.